So today I'm going to show you how to make this Easter card using the large Easter egg stamp and these decorative hare stamps. So we're going to be using this multicolour ink pad, and it works perfectly. As you can see, it's really useful to use it with this large stamp. It works really well, so I'm just going to be showing you how I do that today. Right, so let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to start with the big Easter egg stamp. I'm going to ink it up. Oopsie. I'm going to ink it up using this ink pad, which is called Limone. It's a really lovely selection of colours. I like this one. So plenty of ink, and because the stripes run across, you can kind of work your way across and you won't mess up the ink pad. You can see I've done a few, stays nice and clean. So because there's a little bit of space at the top and bottom, I'm going to kind of finish off the rainbow effect here using some of the cyan blue at the bottom there, which blends nicely with that green. And at the top I'm going to use tulip red VersaFine Clair, and that gives you a lovely rainbow effect on that. Okay, so I'm going to just try and get that in the middle of the card. Press it down nice and firmly. Like that. There we go. And then I'm going to contrast all that crazy colour with some charcoal in these ones. So I think it makes quite a nice contrast to use charcoal with these decorative hare stamps. So you've just got to be sure you get the right one the right way. And they kind of look alright even if they nudge onto the egg a little bit. Their nose is nudging on, like they're standing guard the enormous Easter egg. There we go. And then I think we're just going to put some foliage around it. We could do a Happy Easter at the top in cyan. Maybe mix a tiny bit of green in with the cyan. Okay. Got Happy Easter at the top. Yeah. And now I'm going to add some. It's going to keep the colours a little bit more muted because the colours are so bright on the egg. Thought it might be nice to just keep it a little bit more green so it really pops out. So I'm keeping the greens just quite calm. I've sort of borrowed foliage stamps from all over the place really here. this little fern one is from the Foxgloves and Fritillaries collection, and these ones were all listed with those two Easter bunnies. And the curly baby fern is listed with the bluebells and forget-me-nots, the botanicals. But I know probably quite a few of you watching will probably have quite a few of these stamps already. So I'm using sage green and green tea here for most of these. I quite like the effect of just not using too many colours. Here we go. And use this one here. I'm going to use some of the little round flowers in blue. With a tiny bit of, so it's a bit of cyan blue with a little touch of indigo just on the corner. There we go, and maybe a couple of little butterflies to finish it off, and little petals in the corners. Okay. What are we doing? Okay. Couple of butterflies to finish it off. There we go. I think that's all done. Okay, so there's another lovely Easter card idea for you, and if you've got any questions, please do leave them in the comments. But most of these stamps come from where these two are listed, the decorative hares. All of these ones are listed with the decorative hares, and then the other ones are listed with the bluebells and the foxgloves and fritillaries. So hopefully you can find all those okay. Right, well I hope you enjoy having a go at that card, and let me know how you get on. Alright, thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe, that would be amazing.